Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you CP plus gcMOB application, new update and new features. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, tap on gcMOB application icon. Please wait, application is opening. This is new interface. You see, new dashboard, gcMOB application. Scroll down. Okay, tap on camera 1. You see here camera is open. Go to playback option. In previous software, playback only 72 hours. In this new application, playback full recording available in your DVR shown. Okay, I am select this date 1st of June 2024. See, this recording is before 18 days. Go to details and check here. Tap on edit. See here there is a options. There is a one more option, modify device password. Here you want to modify your DVR password, you do it on this application. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. This is storage. Format is possible in this software. I hope you like this video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.